We are raising Voyagers. We are currently building a tiny house on wheels, attempting to fit our family of 4 in 89 square feet of living space. Today we work on the insulation.
Oh, I think we hit the gas tank.
Oh no!
Ah!
We sprung a leak!
Ah! What a lovely day to be working on the van. It's raining. Alright, so today we are working on insulation. We are using a rigid foam for the majority of it, and then stuffing in the cracks some loose fiberglass style insulation. I wanted to go with wool, but I couldn't find it last minute. So we're going to keep moving forward. And then over top of everything, we'll put Reflectix, which will act as our vapor barrier. Nice thing about renting a van is that there's no straight lines. Everything's curved. You have to figure out a way to model after all of the curves. It's too small.
It's perfect. Spill in foam around it.
Okay. There's not gonna be a window here, is there?
Whoops. My little guy's poking out of the box.
These are magical little pins that will hold this foam insulation in place.
Well, that's cool.
Yeah, the other method, which is what most people do, is they'll take spray glue and spray the wall and stick 2x4s across to hold it in place for a couple hours while it dries. This is so much better. All of these cavities, they can kind of jam in and the foam will hold itself. But for these larger panels, and definitely for the ceiling when we get there, you use these sketchy looking spikes. And you spike up the van, make sure you don't back into it prior to putting up the foam.
No children out here during this stage, right?
Sure. Okie dokie.
I stepped in goop.
Oh yeah, on the side, yeah, that's ruined.
It's all ruined. Bummer.
What are you doing?
I was laying on the spot right there.
Show me. Is that your little angel you made? And there's Chloe's. It's gonna be there forever.
I know! Daddy was making holes.
Yep. Drilling some holes in the floor. Why are we drilling holes in the floor?
For my seat!
Chloe, I need your help, honey.
Daddy needs your help, Chloe!
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Ugh. We did it.
Good job, Chloe.
I'm gonna make
You
another
want
one.
to make another one?
Another one?
Okay, one more. Oh, I think we hit the gas tank.
Oh no!
Ah!
We sprung a leak.
Ah!
Good job, Chloe.
Whoa, look at that!
Whoa.
Fancy.
Yeah. Alexa, would you like to do one? There's only 3 more left.
Okay.
You want to do one? Alright, it's Alexa's turn. Oh, we'll do Chloe's turn real quick. Alright, Alexa's turn. 2 more. Alright, you probably could do this all by yourself, buddy. Okay. Just put it in the hole and pull the trigger. Good job.
Good
Can you do
job.
this one too? Alright, I'm going to do a little bit more.
There you go.
High five.
Yeah.
Alright.
What's going on? Give me an update.
I just put 6 holes in the floor. Actually 7. One was a mistake.
Whoops.
Someone have to plug that hole up. But, yep. We're still waiting for the bracket underneath it, and then we'll be able to install the floor. But at least I have the holes in place, so I can finish the floor probably tomorrow because I'm tired.
Well, it's about that time.
Yeah.
It's been a long day of work for you.
And it's dinner time.
Me and the girls have been slacking off today.
You okay?
We're watching
All right,
Land
I'm gonna
Before Time.
go. Okay.
I'm ready, Chloe. Whoa, that's such a pretty dress.
I got this new dress. I'm going to fasten so.
Can you spin around? Show me your new dress. Whoa, do you have any more?
Yes, you'll see. Ready for the sew?
Yes. Whoa, so pretty. Is that new?
Yeah. Now the next trick is we are. Is everyone ready for Chloe?
Whoa.
I'm the queen of bubbles, like my queen.
Whoa, that is a beautiful bubble wrap dress.
And this is my flower bubbles.
Cool. You know what, kid? That is one poppin' dress. Today is day 6 of the van build, and I am so sick of getting in and out of this van because my knees are killing me. So I'm building a small little step. It's amazing how fast things get built when you don't have to worry about all the weird angles and diesel lines and fuel tanks and all that kind of good stuff. Today we are putting up our strapping or furring strips to hold all of the cabinets and wall coverings and ceiling, and then we should be on to framing things out.
Yay. Show me what you've been doing.
Enter our home.
Okay.
So we finished up the floor, and we are working on, or rather just finished, the ceiling strapping. For everything that we're putting up against the wood, we're using a Loctite glue, which is meant to bond metal to wood. And then we're also using self-tapping, self-drilling metal screws with rubber and metal washers on them so that nothing can wiggle loose. And then once this dries, you could pick the van up by this wood. It's not going anywhere. And we're doing that, taking the extra step just to be super safe. Looks silly with these glasses on.
You look nice.
Just to be super safe. I see a lot of people building these with just screws, and that terrifies me because those screws will come loose, and then you'll have cabinets falling on you or ceilings falling. So we want to be extra safe, and once this stuff dries, there's nothing coming off of that. But more importantly, why aren't you out here helping me?
Well, I've been inside editing videos.
There you go.
So I'm still working
That works.
and making sure the kids are getting along.
Perfect. All right, back to work.
Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try. If we just try. So come on, baby, dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, baby, try, try, try.
So we're going to be installing some windows. We're going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2 in the back. And eventually, I will be framing them in and casing them in and having a nice windowsill. So that's what this is for. And I would love to install this next and then work around it. However, we don't have our windows in yet. And if I install this, then I won't be able to cut our windows out. And that's kind of the name of the game with this. When you start, have everything sitting in your garage ready to go, because there's so many things that overlap that just kind of put a pause on the entire project until you get something in. So for now, we'll have to work around it.
In our next video, we have a little too much fun cutting our first hole in the van. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching!